This is the service elevator. KONE. Another KONE TMS50e later version. This is from 2001 when this building was finished. And as we know, KONE went out of Brazil in 99.
No, ele vai voltar mesmo. Vai voltar mesmo. Lá tá tudo. Tá tudo. Tá tudo arrumado lá pra eles organizar, pra eles. Pra votar o negócio. Parece que ele liberou. Parece que ele liberou só 2 lá. É. Eu dou meia chance.
Oh, really nice. Unlike Otis. Here's the cab, same as the other one, just has a white finish, common for service elevators. Finally, I found one with KONE branding. This is so fucking rare over here. Oh my god. Two. And there are so many free buttons. I mean, look at SS 12. Oh. Gee. Panels very. Go down to SS again. Oh! And door open doesn't work. This is the cab. Yeah, the light fixture is integrated into the panel. This building was finished in 2001 and KONE left Brazil in 99. So this is kind of rare, even to see one that has fully automatic lantern doors. Two. Oh, I have to leave the elevator for her. Jeez, look at this panel. There's a while to unlock the door. Let's see over here. Huh. Weird location. Maintained by Villarda at once. Yeah, let's go up to P. The COP doesn't blow up the elevator. How's the nice. Elevator just went by. And the buttons get so loose that they almost feel touch sensitive, even though they aren't. They're very weak. That's what the cab looks like. Actually pretty nice. Scratch and metal sound. Might not be good. Oh. Okay. Opa. Opa, peraí.
Como que é?
Ah.